What if I told you that changing your mindset could be the first step to financial freedom? It's true, and here's how to start. Today, I want to share a story about Sarah. Sarah was stuck in a cycle of financial frustration. She had a good job, but like many people, always felt like she was falling behind. Then she discovered the power of mindset shifts. So here are 3 key mindset changes that help Sarah turn her finances around. The first is going from average thinking to abundance thinking. What that means is that Sarah used to believe that there was never enough money to go around. By shifting her mindset to abundance, she started seeing opportunities to save and earn more. The second is going from spending to investing. Instead of spending every extra dollar, Sarah began investing in her future. She prioritized savings and investments over immediate gratification. Not easy, but absolutely possible. The third thing that she did was going from avoidance to engagement. She stopped avoiding her finances and started engaging with them. She set financial goals, tracked her progress, and made informed decisions. Now, these simple yet powerful mindset shifts set Sarah on the path to financial freedom. She's now more confident, secure, and excited about her financial future, which is where we all want to be. If you're ready to start your journey to financial freedom, these mindset changes are your first step. Remember, it's not just about making money, it's about how you think about money.